Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, June 19th, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed. We have been having such spectacular trading recently that when we have a day like today where we really didn't lose any money, but it was just kind of mediocre, it almost feels like a losing day. But it was not a losing day today. In fact, we actually had three very spectacular trades, which I will show you in a minute. One of those was in BlackBerry, which we haven't done too much in quite a while. Another was in EXK, Endeavor Silver, and another also in precious metals was GDX, which is a gold mining stock. Really great trades. The problem was that a lot of our other trades just kind of faded as the day went on. That's a bad feeling. We used to get that all the time, but we did have several trades fade. We had $8,000 positive, or maybe it was $7,000. I can't remember. Anyway, $8,000 on the close yesterday, and not too far after the open, maybe 15 minutes or so, we were up to $16,000. And that looked really good, but then things just kind of started to melt away, and by the time we got out today, we actually closed out negative $1,400. That's no big deal. We are carrying positive almost $4,000 going into tomorrow. So we can't say that's a losing day, but it just wasn't the nice spectacular trading that we've been having recently. But I do have some nice charts to show you. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here's the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and we see these like three kind of consolidating days. We had then yesterday, nice big run up, almost to 100 points, and today, I mean, it wouldn't have surprised me at all if this market had pulled back today, and it did look like it was going to do exactly that. But then, as oftentimes happened, buying comes in here and it moves up, and we ended up actually closing up 14 points on that. So the next step for the Dow is to come over here, take out these highs, and get into that all-important 17,000 range. And that could happen anytime. Could happen tomorrow. We just have to see. Anyway, I'd show you some nice trades we had, though. In spite, the problem was we got into some negative trades, and then some of our other trades faded. But we did have some really nice trades in here today. This first one is in GDX. That's a gold mining stock, and we had bought this right on almost on the close yesterday, and then look at this gap here. That thing just took off. That was good for $3,000. We got another one here. This is in EXK. That's Endeavor Silver. We bought that about midday yesterday. Big gap up in silver, and that one is good for $4,000. And then finally, we got into BlackBerry, which we haven't been in very long. We bought this right near the open and did absolutely nothing for us yesterday, but look at this gap. Look at this gap in BlackBerry. And when it was up here, we were close to $6,000. It seemed to fade a little. I don't like the looks of this chart, but anyway, we're still carrying over $4,000 in BlackBerry, so that looks real good. We'll just have to wait and see tomorrow what happens. We do have a tight stop on that. Anyway, not a bad day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.